morning, friends. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. I don't know why I have to do that. I do not know, friends, but I have to do it. I have to do it. Yes. So, how's everybody doing this Saturday morning? Thank you for being here and watch me cook up this breakfast dish and share with my friends, my besties. Okay, so today, my breakfast is sausage, egg, cheese, biscuit, casserole. Yes, sausage, egg, cheese, biscuit, casserole. And I'll talk more about it when we sit down to eat it. Okay, so this is what my meal consists of. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Tennessee Pride again because I fell in love with this sausage. So I'm going to use that. I already have my eggs. Everything is done with my eggs. Okay, I had to use 6 eggs. I already have my pepper and my salt in there. I'm using the shredded cheese, Velveeta. This is my first time using Velveeta shredded cheese. I hope it tastes pretty good. Leave in the comment, friends, if you ever used this cheese before. Even the slices. We might have had the slices maybe 1 or 2 times, but we don't normally use it. So, I'm excited to see how it's going to taste. And then I'm using the good old buttermilk Grand Pillsbury biscuits. And it has 8 big biscuits. I'm using that. Also, I have to make gravy for this. So I'm using McCormick Original Country Gravy. I'm using that. And for fruit, I'm going to have these delicious strawberries. Because I was in Walmart and I seen these. Friends, when I tell you these some huge strawberries, I hope they sweet. You might could see that one. But they big. They big. I'll show it to you later. And also, for my drink today, no coffee. I didn't want anything hot, warm, none of that. Lukewarm, none of that. So, I'm trying this for the first time. And let me know if you ever tried this juice drink. And this is the all-natural, simply pineapple juice drink. Let me know if you ever tried this. And it's not from concentrate, so this got to be pretty good. And it's all natural. So let me know if you ever tried that before. It's going to be good. So I'm going to get started with the cooking, friends. I'm going to show y'all some of how I'm cooking. I'm going to show you some of it, not all of it. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking till after I get done. And once I get done, we're going to sit down. We're going to have our breakfast. We're going to chat. So let's get this part started first.
Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first. Holding it in just might make it worse. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame.
How pretty that is.
No game.
Okay, now it's time for me to get the biscuits right. Friends, how many of y'all scared of popping open these cans? Is it anybody else out there other than me? Whoa. I'm never ready for it. Never. Friends, I'm cutting my biscuits up like this in little like triangle shapes or
See you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be a perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame and no game. I wanna fall vulnerable. Giggling softly. Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me? Da 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 da. Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give
It's ready, friends. Look at it. It is ready. So what I'm getting ready to do now is cut me a piece of this delicious breakfast casserole. And while I'm doing that, run and grab your coffee, whatever you're drinking on, your hot tea, whatever you're drinking, go grab that, grab your breakfast, and come back. And let's have breakfast together and chat. So I'm back, friends. I am back. The breakfast casserole is done. Yes, it is done. And this recipe here was inspired by the country cook over on you can find her over on Pinterest. So I looked at it and I was like, this looks so delicious, but I tweaked it. I kind of did a little bit, added to, and did it to my likings. It already looked delicious. I don't want to get it wrong. It looks so delicious, and you'll see what I mean. But I just added a little bit different seasonings, into my, like with my sausage, and my eggs and stuff like that. Just tweaked it a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead on and say my grace so I don't forget that. Amen, amen, amen. Like I told y'all, I got me some Simply Pineapple. Because I was like, let me taste it and see. I gotta make sure I like it. So let's pour up some. A little ASMR for my friends. So let's see. Let's look at this plate. Look at the plate. These friends, I got to show y'all these strawberries before we get now. This off the chain here. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at that. The two twins. Do y'all see how big they are? So big, friends. So big. They huge. I don't even know if y'all can tell how big they are. So I put 4 of those on my plate, and me and this banana, we've been hanging out for a little bit. I brought this banana like a day ago so I can eat it like after I work out, and I didn't. So matter of fact, I feel like some banana. It's so good, friends, and it's sweet. So let's see what this casserole is about. This the star of the show. I'm gonna move these. Oh goodness, these bananas taste good. Let's move it over. I want y'all to see the star of the show. Yes. Now it's super hot. I'm gonna go in it. Look at that. Y'all see that smoke? It's still smoking. So I better be careful with this, friends. Let me see. Let me blow. I'm gonna give y'all the first bite. The first bite, friends. There you go. And it's still smoking. Nice and hot for you. Mmm. Mmm. Friend, oh my goodness. See, it don't take me long to know if I'ma like something. Soon as I stick it in my mouth and that first chew, I know if I'm gonna like it. This is delicious. Mmm. This is so good. This is so good. Y'all already know what I'm finna say. It don't make no sense for something to be this good. It's so good, friend. I need y'all. I wish y'all could taste this. Look at that. The biscuits in there. That sausage, the cheese, the eggs. Oh my goodness, everything is just so good. Friends, when I tell y'all, these biscuits are so good. I was in there trying to decide. Because you know everything done went up in the stores. So I was trying to decide, now which biscuits do I want? Do I want the Pillsbury, the name brand, or do I want Walmart? I put the Walmart biscuits in my buggy. I immediately took them out. I was like, I need to get the name brand biscuits. Yes. I done forgot. I got a different biscuit. This might have been the same biscuits that she had. I'm not sure. But I do know her biscuits had the cheese, the butter in there. In fact, the biscuit, the little butter pieces, I didn't get that. So, what you seen me do, I melted some butter. And when I threw the biscuits in there, the pieces, then I just put the butter on top. That's how I want to do mine. Look at that. That's a biscuit, friends. That's a biscuit. That's a biscuit. Do y'all see that smoke coming out? And my greedy mouth still trying to eat, and it's that smoke coming. Friends, this is good. This is so delicious. Sunday breakfast too. Oh yes. And this here, this definitely a do-over. It's definitely a do-over. Friends, did I ask y'all, what are y'all having for Saturday breakfast this morning? And what are you drinking on? Cheers. Let's see how this pineapple, simply pineapple juice drink. Let's see how it tastes. I already knew it was good because I tore into it. I just had to get it because you know what? Look at that color. Look at the color. It looks fresh, don't it? It looks fresh. Look at that. That looks so good. And it's good, friends. It's so good. I'm going to give this breakfast a 10. This is definitely a 10. This is a big old biscuit. It got the cheese and it got some egg. Got some sausage. It's just so hot. Let's bite into one of these strawberries. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Matter of fact, y'all take the first bite. First bite, look. Look how pretty it is. Okay. Tastes like strawberries. Juicy. Sweet. They good. A mouthful. I know I'm not gonna eat all 4 of those, cause I can't. I'm getting full already. Oh, friend, our spring break starts Friday. So the kids have a whole week off. We was gonna go out of town, but we unable to. So because we're gonna just do something here at the house, and the kids gonna come over, so we're gonna stay home. Yeah. And we may do something like take the kids to the pool or movies. You know, it's tons of things you could do other than going out of town, theme parks and stuff, because I don't like to be talking with all that food in my mouth. Give me 1 second. Because we always go out of town to take our kids somewhere. Valdosta, we may go to Wild Adventure. Florida, we may go to Walt Disney, SeaWorld. Those are the 2 main ones we done went to. You know, it's another part that we go to too. I can't think of it right now, but it's okay. But we won't be doing any of that. I told my husband we don't have to always travel to go. We could do things right in our area, you know, for spring break. So in the car, leave a comment, you know, if you have kids, what are you doing for your kids for spring break? So I'm gonna get off of here. Thank you so much for being a part of ANTOINETTE Fun. I truly appreciate everybody. Thank you so much to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I really and truly appreciate y'all. Thank y'all once again for being here for another delicious recipe. And it was once again the sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit casserole. Yes. And these delicious strawberries, friends, y'all know how strawberries smell, right? They smell so good. And you see, I still have, 3 big ones sitting up here? I finish it after a while. Have an amazing day today. Don't let nothing or no one ruin your day. Get out there and have you some fun this Saturday. This Saturday morning. And it's bye for now, my friends. Bye. But I'll see you next Saturday, right? Lord's willing, right back here for another breakfast. It could be in my kitchen or it could be at, I don't know, a restaurant. I don't know where it's going to be. But come back. Make sure you got those notification bells on, because if you don't, you're not going to know when I post a video. Y'all know y'all want to hang out with Antoinette. I hope y'all want to hang out with me, because I enjoy hanging out with my friends. And it's bye for now. Bye.